Have you ever been startled by a stranger at your door? Maybe you've missed important deliveries because you weren't home. Well, those days are over. Today on Bestseller Product, we're showcasing the best video doorbells currently available on Amazon USA. Tips for buying a video doorbell. Before you hit buy, consider these factors when choosing a video doorbell. Wired versus wireless. Wired doorbells offer a more stable connection but require professional installation. Wireless options are easier to set up yourself but might have shorter battery life. Field of view. Wider field of view allows you to see more of your porch and surrounding areas. Night vision. Keep an eye on things even after dark with clear night vision. Two-way talk. Talk directly to visitors through the doorbell's built-in microphone and speaker. Motion detection and alerts. Get notified whenever someone approaches your door with customizable motion sensors. Compatibility. Ensure the doorbell works with your existing Chime or smart home system. List of products. Now, let's dive into the contenders. Here are some of the top-rated video doorbells on Amazon USA. Blink Video Doorbell. Key feature, budget-friendly option with long battery life. Pros, easy DIY setup, HD video quality, two-way talk, and motion detection with alerts. Runs on AA batteries, not included. Cons, lacks some features like night vision and pre-recorded messages compared to pricier options. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Key feature, feature-packed doorbell with crystal clear video quality. Pros, head-to-toe HD plus video with a wide field of view, motion detection with customizable alerts, two-way talk, and night vision. Runs on a rechargeable battery. Cons, might require more frequent charging compared to wired options. Subscription plans available for additional features. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Key feature, reliable connection with continuous power. Pros, crystal clear video quality, wide field of view, motion detection with alerts, two-way talk, and night vision. Requires existing doorbell wiring for installation. Cons, professional installation recommended, might not be suitable for renters. Ring Wired Doorbell Plus, Video Doorbell Pro. Key feature, premium doorbell with advanced features for ultimate security. Pros, head-to-toe HD plus video with a wide field of view, motion detection with customizable alerts, two-way talk, night vision, and pre-recorded messages. Requires existing doorbell wiring for installation. Cons, most expensive option on this list. Professional installation recommended. Ring Wedge Kit for Video Doorbell, second generation. Key feature, not a doorbell itself, but a handy accessory for angled installations. Pros, allows you to adjust the angle of your Ring Video Doorbell, second gen, for a better view of your porch. Great for corner installations or uneven doorways. Cons, only compatible with specific Ring doorbell models. Requires existing doorbell mounting plate. Recommendation. The best video doorbell for you depends on your priorities and budget. Here's a quick guide. For affordability and easy installation, Blink Video Doorbell. For best video quality, battery-powered Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. For continuous power and no recharging, Ring Video Doorbell Wired. For pre-roll video preview, Ring Wired Doorbell Plus, Video Doorbell Pro. To improve viewing angle of existing Ring doorbell, Ring Wedge Kit. That's it for today's Video Doorbell Showdown. We hope this helped you decide which doorbell will keep your doorstep secure and under surveillance. Let us know in the comments below which doorbell you think rings the best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more bestseller product reviews.